I'm going to show you how to import using our Excel template. We're going to click on Forms on the left. That takes you straight to Create New Form. We always select the tax year first. I'm going to stay with tax year 2025. I'm going to create or import our most popular form. Most of our forms that you can bulk import, you come or you get to the same way. So we're going to click on the form type. You immediately see the single manual creation, but you're going to click on import bulk data at the top. You're going to get this pop-up. It's just telling you that we've updated our template on October 1st. You're going to click OK. From here, we have our CSV and our Excel. You can click on Excel and it'll download your template. I have one here for us. Filled out. So I've already filled it out. It has all the required information. I made sure to copy and paste values only, making sure I don't alter the formula in the Excel sheet. It has all the required information, all the recipients information, and then it starts asking you the values in the form. I have my amounts, and I can go ahead and save. Once you have your form saved, your Excel template saved, you're going to come to the same location where you downloaded your template. You can drag and drop the files here. At the bottom, you'll see if you're doing corrections, you want to select this checkbox. If you're filing to only the state, you're going to click this checkbox. You're going to scroll down and hit next. In match fields, it's already done for you, so you're just going to scroll down and go next. Step 3 is your last step to verify the import and have them saved. So you want to see green dots. If you happen to see a red dot in your payer or a red dot in your recipients, you're going to click on the recipient name. It'll bring up all their information where you can edit here and save. That'll change your dot to green. They all must be green in order for us to go forward. Now there's an edit button over here, but this is to edit the box and the value. So you can do that here as well if you happen to see any discrepancies. Okay, so I've checked my recipients, my payer is great, my amount is correct. This should match your 1099 summary. You're going to select all. If you need to make sure you select the top select all, because I only have 3 forms. But if I were to have 500, you want to select them all, you're going to always check the top square box, checkbox, and you go down and hit next. Now my forms have been officially saved and created. This step here, they are saved, so I can log out and leave them here for whenever I'm ready to submit, but they're not submitted yet. So from here, you can select your options if you want to pay us to USPS mail your recipient. If you want us to deliver the recipient a copy of their 1099, I do have the option to tin match here as well. If I don't select any of these, I won't be charged for them. So let me just select my forms. Let's do e-delivery since I've got my emails there. And whenever you're ready to file, you're going to submit for this payer. That'll take you to our final step, which is checking out. You'll see exactly what you're paying for, the number of forms, the amount. If I've selected any of my other options, I can see I did here. You will always verify your address and your email right before you pay. And that is how you import a 1099 or an Excel import for our forms.